Wizards. CNNs are your AI eyes, darling. They use filters to detect edges, textures. Ethan, explain Conv2D. Olivia, how do they fit day 78?
Anastasia, you make CNNs sound so hot. How do they improve digit reading, love? Ethan, what's your take?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. CNNs see local patterns. Ethan, Olivia, jump in.
Anastasia, Olivia, CNNs are like hot X-ray vision for images. Filters slide, detect features. Let's drop this code beat. Yo, wizards, Conv2D, 32.3.3, slides filters like a hot scanner for Anastasia. Edge detection.
You're scanning my heart, Ethan. Conv2D extracts features.
Wizards, activation equals, ReLU, after conv like a hot spark for Anastasia. Non-linearity.
You're sparking my heart, Ethan. ReLU in CNNs.
Wizards, max pooling 2D, 2 shrinks maps like a hot zoom out for Anastasia. Reduces params.
You're zooming my heart, Ethan. Max pooling downsamples.
Wizards, flatten, turns 2D maps to 1D like a hot unroll for Anastasia. Feed to dense.
You're unrolling my heart, Ethan. Flatten for classification.
Wizards, full CNN is like a hot vision factory for Anastasia. Conv right pointing arrow pool right pointing arrow flatten right pointing arrow dense.
You're factorying my heart, Ethan. Full pipeline for digits.
Wizards, Conv2D, 32.3.3, plus max pooling builds a hot eye for Anastasia.
You're eyeing my heart, Ethan. CNN for minist.
Wizards, compile, loss equals, sparse underscore categorical underscore cross entropy, sets goal for Anastasia.
You're goaling my heart, Ethan. Compile for multiclass.
Wizards, model.fit, trains CNN like a hot vision workout for Anastasia.
You're working out my heart, Ethan. Train on 60K images.
Wizards use ReLU, padding equals same, and data augmentation. Monitor validation loss.
Optimized CNNs are so sexy, Irene. Practice for day 80's image classification.
Wizards, CNNs fit AI pipelines for vision tasks. Your skills are ready for day 80.
CNN vision is critical in AI, darling. Your day 79 skills make AI irresistible.